Hey everyone, welcome back to BDG Reviews. Today I'm unboxing this. This is the 3-disc collector's edition Blu-ray of Return of the Living Dead 3. It's a Spanish Blu-ray. I'll just say right now, it's a hell of a lot cheaper than the Vestron release. So, you know, if you're all region and you're after a copy, this is definitely the way to go. I think this was like €7, so probably what, 15, 16 bucks, I don't know. Pretty good stuff. So just show the different angles. I'm the first time doing it this particular way. I have my camera kind of hanging upside down, so I'm hoping everything is in line. You know, I don't know. We'll have to see. But yeah, so let's get into this. So, I've found a lot of the time Spanish releases are pretty damn solid, really. I bought a bunch of them before, and quality's up there. And they're usually a hell of a lot cheaper. So, here's the front cover. And there's the back cover again. I'll just show you without the plastic on. Maybe you can get a better... You know, I don't speak Spanish, so I just sort of have to kind of guess with these extras and everything. But, you know, it should be easy enough to figure out. Yeah, let's open this up. So, first off, you know, decent quality box, you know, not super flimsy. And then we got like a digipack. So let's open these up. Well, so there's the first leaf of the book, if you will. Open that up like that. Get out of the way. I really should have thought this out a bit better. There. Okay, and here we have, let's see, that's the DVD right there. And Blu-ray right there. Very cool. Then over here, this is bonus material on Blu-ray. And we got a book. This is obviously all in Spanish, but it's still damn cool to have. Some nice artwork in there from the movie. I've always had a bit of a soft spot for this movie. You know, I don't know. Here's the picture behind bonus disc. Behind the DVD. And behind the Blu-ray. Very cool release, and for the price point, I would much rather pay this than I would up here in Canada. Vestrons are going, the cheapest you can find it for is probably about 35 bucks, and that's importing it, and that's then you got to pay shipping and you got to pay the exchange rate and everything. Over here, the cheapest I've seen them for is this particular movie is $57. And, you know, it's a good movie, but it's not that damn good. So, yeah, there you go. That's the unboxing of it. I'll come back with a review of the actual release at some point. But it's damn cool. So, yeah, that's it for now. See you next time.